Hi, welcome to SE101, Applied Calculus and Differential Equation. My name is Hyosang Kang. I'm your instructor for this semester of this course. Unfortunately, we have a situation that school postponed the first day of the class to 9th of March. So I will going to live stream my lecture on YouTube for the first 2 weeks. And all the videos of my lecture will also be uploaded on my YouTube channel. So for this video, I will briefly go over about this course. Basically, this is an orientation video. So let's get to it. So here we are going to do three tasks. First one is reading a syllabus, and second one is how to teach you how to upload your photo on an LMS, which is the first task of our class. And third one is create a MATLAB account. Okay, so let's look at the syllabus first. So this is a basic course in calculus and also a differential equation. My email address is here, and my office is in building E7, the Consilience Hall, and room number G11, and my office phone number is 6640, and class hour and room is Monday and Thursday 10 to 12 at L22. So this course is about differential equation, and differential equation is very important mathematical tool for modeling many situations like natural and social phenomenon. And we are going to learn the basic concepts of differentiations and differential equations, and how to solve differential equation by hand or by MATLAB. And academic integrity, I will going to read through this paragraph because this is very important. If you use unauthorized documents and devices during the exam, you will be expelled on site and fail the course. Failing the course means you will get F. If you do not submit your original work on homework and project report, your score will be 0. So you have to do your homework and report by yourself. So basically, we don't have a project report, but I will replace that with homework. If you make a fraud excuse or missing a class, missing an exam, or late homework, you will fail the course. So missing an exam will definitely fail the course, but missing a class is not make you fail the course. But if you make a fraud excuse, then I will give F grade. Okay, so number 4, course policy. Let's look at this percentage first. The midterm, final, and quizzes are 35%, 35%, 15% each. And homework is 10%. So, and this comprises 95%, and attendance is 5%. Usually I'm very harsh on attendance, but this is very special circumstance that we're not going to harsh on attendance for the first 2 weeks where school postponed the first day of the class. And later on, since we do not know how the situation will go, so I'm not going to ask you attend strictly because nobody knows you're sick or you're in a dangerous situation. So I will give 5 points as default. So there's no attendancy. You can, if you are unable to attend the physical classroom, then just study in home through website, through video on YouTube. So by the way, if the weighted sum of this entire percentage is bigger than or equal to 90 at the end of a semester, you will get A+. So this 90 means that rounded from the first decimal point. So for example, if you got 89.5, then you will get a grade A+. Number 5, teaching method. So class material is laptop or tablet PC. This is important because we are going to have a recitation session right after the lecture. And in the recitation session, we will do a MATLAB exercise. And you need a PC or laptop with installed MATLAB, or tablet PC where we can access the web browser. And you can also access web browser through your smartphone, but it's very cumbersome to type in the long commands. So I recommend to bring either one of these. And official textbook is Crazy's Advanced Engineering Mathematics. So this is the first page of our book, textbook. This is a very thick book, and we are going to cover only chapter 1 to 7. And there's a translated version of this book, Korean translated. And that book is divided into 2 volumes. If you want to buy the Korean version of this book, buy the first volume, which contains the entire chapter 1 to 7. And there's also my lecture note that I will upload to the LMS page on this course. So useful link is my website, client.digist.kr, and the MATLAB workbook written in Korean, written by a former student of mine. And number 6 is weekly schedule. I'm not sure whether I can follow all of this material in this semester because we already lost the first day of the class, which is today, and if this situation goes bad, then I'm not sure whether we can have sufficient time for cover this material. Who knows? So this schedule is subject to change. Okay, so the next one. So how to upload your photo on LMS? That's the first task of this class, and let me explain through website here. So this is our LMS site. So this is another class. So if you go into this LMS site, then I uploaded the general information about this course, syllabus, and how to install MATLAB, and so on. On the left, you will see some menus. So this is an instructor's view, so I'll change to student's view. So in your view, you will see assignments tab here. So assignment, if you click assignment, then here's an assignment. So upload your photo, click it. And here's some explanations, and you have to submit the file. You have to submit file here and find your photo and upload your photo. Once you've done that, okay, Once you've done that, click submit here. Then that's it. Okay. If it doesn't work, maybe because it's the beginning of semester, there's some hiccups. Always a hiccup in the beginning of semesters. So wait a day or two, then you'll have no problem. Okay, third one, create a MATLAB account. So they just have a campus license. So if you are a student, and then you can use MATLAB free. So basically it's not free software, but if you make account through your DGIST email address, then you can use all the MATLAB product free. You can install it in your personal computer and use anywhere, anytime. So here in LMS, I posted some website about MATLAB. Here's the link how to install MATLAB. Sometimes it doesn't work well because it's so don't look at this one. This is an old page. I updated it, but it doesn't reflect well, so I will change this one. So on the fourth one, the MATLAB Online, just click it here. Then you will get to this page. Now I have already my MATLAB account on DGIST email. You have to make your own email, your own account by DGIST email address. So create an account and then follow the steps, then sign in. You will able to use MATLAB Online, or you can also download MATLAB and install it in your personal computers. So the good thing about this online MATLAB is you don't have to install it on your computer, and also you can use all the packages, all the functions of MATLAB without installation. So this is a MATLAB. So this is already started here. This is a command line, and usually I do it in the script file. So here's a script file. So basically MATLAB is a calculator. So if you type in 1 + 1 command on the command window, it spits answer 2. And also you can program, or you can code your command line commands, do some more complicated work. Let's say I want to draw a circle. Then we will go over this semantics later. You can draw a circle like as a parametric equations, and appears as a figure. So if you run your MATLAB program on your computer, it's much faster than this, but online version is also fairly okay. So please follow the steps and create account, and just put your hands on the MATLAB, watch some instructions or documentations if you want. So this is the end of orientation, almost end of orientation. So the class is on Monday and Thursday, but Monday class from 10 a.m. is already gone because that was the time when you registered the course. So Thursday and this week we'll have a lecture on the same time at 10 a.m. to 12 a.m. on a YouTube live stream. So officially school already started. So 24th of February is the official start of the first day of the class, but the school ordered not to have a physical class until